Hey, today I want to talk to you about creating a digital legacy. And if you don't know what one is, you definitely want to watch this video to make sure that that's what you're doing. Hi, my name's Rachel Dunn from Girl Director TV, and we help people to change the world with their video content. There's one thing making videos, but there's another thing when you want to make a difference in the world and create content that really does create a ripple effect in the world. And that's what we're dedicated a channel in helping you do that. So I want to talk to you today about something called a digital legacy. A digital legacy is when you create content that is going to be around well after you go. I know that this is a topic that a lot of people, including myself, find challenging to think about, is a time when we may not be around. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because there's been a couple of people in more recent times that I've spoken to recently, and then all of a sudden they've just passed away really suddenly. And it really did shake me to the core, because it really got me thinking about, what have you left behind? What kind of knowledge or what kind of legacy are you here to create? Buckminster Fuller, he's a fascinating man, and he is one of those great thinkers. He created, I think it was 42 hours of content recorded in 1975. He has a digital legacy, and so that you can go back and you can watch it and you can learn from his life. And the same with a lot of the big thinkers out there, say Napoleon Hill. You can go in there and listen to his audio recording and learn a whole bunch of things that are going to change your life. I just think that having a digital legacy and having something there to teach people when you're gone is amazing. It means you're still here and you're still making a difference. I guess when I look at my digital legacy, it is a few things. One of them is that we teach entrepreneurs how to grow their business using video. And the fact that we are teaching high-end video skills to people growing their own video businesses, or entrepreneurs or business owners that want to be able to do it themselves, it means that we're creating amazing videos out there. The ripple effect that we're creating with the knowledge that we're sharing is profound. So the thing is with you, what is your digital legacy? What do you want your legacy to be? You know, when somebody's searching for your name online, maybe well after you're gone, what would you like them to find? It's another reason that we're creating a documentary called Through Elephant Eyes, because I really want it to change thinking. I want people to open up to a new way of thinking. So this again is about a digital legacy for me, and opening up awareness so that this will be around for a long time, that I'm hoping. And same with our clients, like Sandra, she's helping youth suicide with something called the Unframed Project. She actually teaches youth, she goes into Indigenous cultures and she brings out her camera and she teaches them through framing up pictures, and she is really passionate about mental health in those communities. You know, another client, she created a Kickstarter campaign. It's an app to link retirement homes so that when you are struggling for something or whatever, you can just go to this app. And so she did a video so that she could raise money to create this particular digital legacy. We've got other people that are creating online programs to help children with anxiety. So can you see that the digital legacy is creating something that you are so passionate about, that it's your life's work, that if you're not here tomorrow, it's going to still be teaching, it's going to still be working for you. And I love that. I think that it's one of the most powerful things we have today. And that's what I love about video, is that you can create anything that you really want. So it's time to think about, what do you want to start working towards now so that you have that? Because let me tell you, when I've heard about these stories of, you know, associates that have passed really fast, they had big dreams, but they didn't get to actually do the things that they're really passionate about. And I realized that, you know, I've sat back on the fence at times when people have said to me what they really wanted. I didn't fight for them. But now a real stand for people getting out of their own way and really showing up to make a difference, showing up to truly be of service so that people remember, people can learn from what you have learnt in your life. Your life's important and everybody has a message. And I'd love to hear your comments and feedback on what you think about it and what yours is below. See you next time.